Alright, I got the tile down. I think I'm going to run it for now. So if I pull this out of here, I'll have to pull out this first row of tile and redo it. But that's when it's fine. I'm going to put the shelf unit right there on the ground because the tile doesn't really fit. It's going to be a tight squeeze getting it through here. Once that comes through, then this can go back. So it's going to be tight, but should be all right. Yeah, we'll see how it works. What's the worst thing that can happen? Not much. All right, let's see what we get. Tight squeeze. Yep. So that's not going to work. Press is in the way. Let's see, this handle gets there. About an inch short. I don't think there's any way I can cheat that inch. It's actually about 2 inches short. Just needs to go that way. So we need to gain a couple inches here. So that means we're going to move this forward. There's a couple inches. Now we can move the motor forward. Let's say a couple, 2 inches. There we go. Now we can move this forward a couple inches. See, that's how you do. Everything moves a couple inches. All right. A little bit of angle right there will help us. All right, that should give us enough room. So if we're lucky, come right through now. Looking good. Okay. Get over that lip. Golden again. All right. We need to turn this thing sideways, and we are in the wrong direction. I bet you there's not enough room to turn it. 10 to 1, not enough room. Yeah. Why would that work? Okay, let's see if we can turn it. Something attacking me over here. Yipper. Okay, we need to move the hone to make room to turn the shelf. Oh, that's the heavy side. That didn't help. Oh, it's hard to move. All right. I think we got the inch we need right here in the corner over here. Nice and easy job. There we go. Tight squeeze again. Test the board. Half inch to the nails on this side. Oh. Problem over here. Oh yeah, tools in the way. And sockets. All right. So what's keeping that board from sliding out? Nothing. Just push. Easier said than done. Using clips. And tighten up on the nails. Yep. Now. Alright. Board's got to go. There's something heavy on there like a motor. Or two. Or three. Clearance. Plug in. Really plug in on. Something plug in. Look, that's fine. More inches to go. Hard stop. Now, okay. All right. So I need to go another inch. Nothing like an easy job. Lost a couple shelves. So right now we got our pedestal up there. Is in the way. We have to get past this board right here, which is about 1.5 inches more to go. And I'm pretty sure we're hitting on the bottom down here already pretty hard. Yeah. So I'm not sure if we can go another 1.5 inches on the bottom. To get past this board, we're going to have to cut this board off or something to make it work. So either got to keep forcing this in, or I got to notch this board a little bit. I already moved it that way 1 inch or 2 already. So, oh yeah, it's already a couple inches past over on this side. So I think we're going to wind up having to cut a big notch in that board. It'd be nice to get the shelf unit in the rest of the way, and I wouldn't have to do that, but we've got 1.5 inches to hit the wall. Alright, I think I'll try to get that pulley out of there. I need a stepping stool. Stepping stool is right over here. Pretty well buried. Somebody buried it in the corner over here. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's easier said than done. Move the hose. Yeah, easy job, easy job. That's why it's shaped like that, to get out tight spots. See? Dots and tranny cases. They work good for lots of things. Alright. Alright. So it looks like there's another one up top there I gotta get out of. Yep. Well, that one's above for now. It won't be for long. Okay, I can get up there and do some more pulling. Pulling and forcing. See if we can get this thing to fit. This again. Pass that one. She's a tight squeeze. Where to do my hammer? Where's my hammer? What can I do with it? Hit it for myself. Ah. Put it back. Hammer time, hammer time. Okay, she's hammered. She's in the floor. Oh, I got new stuff we're hitting on over here. Big blocks of lead.